intro, we are playing a C over G chord. That's third finger, third fret, the low E, pinky finger, third fret, the A, second finger, second fret, the D, and the first finger on the first fret of the B, the G and high E are open. We're also going to be in 12/8 for this one, so the strumming pattern is a little bit odd. It goes down, up, down, then an accented up strum. So down, up, down, accent, up, down, accent, up. So down, up, down, accent, up, down, accent, up. C over G, down, up, down, accent, down, accent, down, accent, down, accent. For the verse, we're going to stay on the C over G chord with exactly the same strumming pattern. In fact, we're going to use the same strumming pattern throughout the entire song. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Then we're going to move to an E minor chord. Lewis Capaldi uses this beautiful voicing rather than the standard E minor chord. He's got open E, third finger, 7th fret on the A string, and then first finger on the 5th fret of the D. Rest of the strings are open. Same strumming pattern. Again for 2 bars. Then we're going to go to an F major 7 over C chord, which is actually exactly the same as that C over G chord, just with fingers 3, 4 and 2 moved down a string set. So we have 3 on the A, 3 on the D, 2 on the G, 1 on the B and the high E string open. We don't want to hear the low E string in this case. I'm using the thumb here to kind of mute it. Same strumming again. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. We'll then go to a G at 11. From this chord, all we do is move the third finger up a string set to the low E at the 3rd fret. Finger 2 is going to go to the 2nd fret on the A string. Pinky finger, 3rd fret the high E string, and the first finger is going to stay where it is there on the 1st fret of the B. And we're going down, up, down, up, up. Then we'll take the first finger off and go to a standard G chord, just using fingers 3, 2, and the pinky. So a bit unusual, but nice and easy once you've got the kind of G at 11 chord down. And that's the verse. C over G, 2 bars. This awkward but lovely sounding E minor chord. F major 7 over C. 1 bar of G at 11. And then 1 bar of G. C over G. E minor. F major over C. G at 11. The chorus is fairly similar, though we do have some different chords in it. We start with the C over G as normal, 2 bars, down, up. Then to that beautiful sounding E minor chord. We're then going to go to an A minor chord. Just the 2nd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G, 1st fret on the B, open A and high E strings. Down. Going to go to that F major 7 over C chord, just for 1 bar, and then we're going to go to an F minor over C chord. That's 3rd finger on the A, 3rd finger on the D, and then a 1st finger bar on the G, B and high E strings, and same strumming, just for 1 bar. So C over G, 2 bars, that E minor chord, 2 bars, A minor chord, 2 bars, F major 7 over C, 1 bar, F minor over C for 1 bar. And then we'll repeat. The second time is exactly the same, but we have a new chord on the end of this. So it's C over G, E minor, A minor, F major 7, over C, and then we go to a G. So 1 bar of normal strumming, down, up, down, accent, up, down, accent, up, and then the second bar, single strum. Okay, so the whole chorus, C over G. E minor, A minor, F major, F minor, repeat, C over G, E minor, A minor, F major, F minor, G, single strum. For the bridge, we're going to keep the strumming pattern the same. We have a 1 bar of A minor, F major 7 to the C over G and G, and then A minor, F major 7, G for 2 bars this time. So A minor, F major 7, C over G, G, A minor, F major 7, G. We are then going to go back to the chorus for the final time. It is C over G, single strum, leave to ring for 2 bars, E minor, leave to ring for 2 bars, A minor, leave to ring for 2 bars, F major 7, leave to ring for 1 bar, going to the F minor. The second time through is normal, C over G, going to that E minor chord, major to the F minor. The very last time through the chorus is slightly different. It starts off the same until we get to that F minor over C chord, and then we're just going to add a G, single strum, and then a C over G to finish the song. So it's C over G, E minor, A minor, major, F minor, single strum G,